Hey everyone, it's Carmelia Ray and Dr. Goel. We are here at Peak Human Studios. We are the co-founders of this space, and we also shoot much of our own content here at Peak Human Studio. Sanjeev, tell me about this space.
Yeah,
Why did we create it?
It's a really great space, and we created it because we wanted our own kind of place so we could have it all set up so that we could do our recordings without any problem, smoothly, without distractions, and proper lighting and sound. So I think this just makes the creation part so much easier. I think that sometimes is the barrier for people. Is like you have a great idea, but then by the time you get this set up and everything, then it just kills the whole thing.
Yeah, and I think it not just kills it, if a lot of people who are shooting at home, or maybe they're renting a studio space, they don't always get that access that they want, and also you don't know the lighting control and the proper equipment. So I have been, just for some context, I've been in the dating and matchmaking space for 31 years, but I've worked in film, television, and media now for the last 10 years. And my experience both in front of camera and now behind camera has really impacted the way that I want to produce content. And I know the importance of video today, right? I mean, you started your YouTube channel from this studio.
Exactly, we started with.
And it's grown
20 times at least.
20 times, 300, he's catching up to me now in such a short time.
That's what I mean by sometimes, I've been thinking about it for a long time, but when you have a studio that's well designed, and makes it easier, then creating the content becomes so much easier.
Correct, yes.
And then you also get better at it. So I think that's the whole value that we're providing here at Peak Human Studios. We want other creators to have a space where they could, get really high quality content made.
Correct.
And then they can, kind of realize the goals that they want, of what they're trying to achieve.
Yes, and here at the studio, this is one setting that we have. We are a two-person interview, but you can have 3 up to 4, even 5 guests. We have multicam set up, so you can do wide and individual for those who want to be a little bit more advanced with their editing. And also isolate their different speakers.
Yeah, we have a camera over there.
Yes.
You guys,
although we're not. Let's switch. Let's switch to Sanjeev's camera right now.
Yeah, here.
There you go. There you go. Actually, I can move mine over so I'm not in the way. There you go.
So I think it's really nice to have the different camera angles already set up, and then we have all the lighting. We have these mics here.
Yeah. And we have multiple setups as well. If you also want to do a live stream, if you would like to do a tutorial, we've done photo shoots here. We have multiple different settings. We've got the couch, we've got chairs, we've got different color couches, we've got a desk set up. We've had photo shoots here. If you're a physician, if you are a therapist, if you're anybody that wants to film a course, how many people want to launch a course?
Exactly.
We can do that here. Even other medical practitioners, because you've got he owns a Peak Human Labs and his own medical practice. So there's medical beds here. You can do drips here. You can do whatever you like.
Sure.
What other uses can you see us doing here?
I think we were talking about pop-ups. People can sell product. They can have seminars.
Yeah. VIP days. You can do workshops for up to, I think, a good 40 people.
Yeah.
Potentially.
For sure.
Right, but I think this is great for a more intimate setup. So whether you want to showcase a new product, a beauty product, food preparation, we have some chefs coming in, mixology. I mean, we can create anything that you'd like.
Yeah, I think so. And the great thing is you have an experienced team from
Carmelia
here to help make sure it's successful, looks good.
Editing, sound, right, and creative. One of the things, if you are scared about content, if you might need a media training, if you want some practice, our team is ready to help guide you and be part of your creative process. I love to create content. Sanjeev is now an expert content
creator. Expert, but with your help, we've produced over hundreds of videos now.
We have hundreds of videos.
Yeah, so I think it's made a big difference.
Big difference, yeah. So if you are somebody that would like to start producing your own content, would like some guidance and support from trained media experts, and you just want to sit in the chair, deliver your content, and not have to worry about lights and sounds and cameras and all of that, Peak Human Studio is the perfect place. We'll post our link and our contact so that we can do a call with you and see where we can take your brand, your products, or your business to the next level.
Take care, everyone. See you.